welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Right now we're just going for a little drive. Tom and Kyle are up there. We're going to the reservoir just to hang out. It's a nice day, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the POV videos. This is the second one I'm doing. I gotta go edit. I made one last night. I still have to edit that video. That was a night POV video. I don't want to lose Tom and Kyle up there. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy the POV video. We're gonna hang out at the reservoir, maybe just take some pictures, talk and chat, whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Nice view. See what Tom and them are doing. No, don't pull in this lot. This lot's so packed over it. There's a couple of different lots to the reservoir. This is not the lot I wanted to go in, but it's alright. Squeaky brakes, M4. It's pretty cool. This is the lot you want to be in?
No, we just.
Oh. There's the other lot.
There's another one?
There's like 5.
You want to go to that one instead?
Better.
Alright, go.
We're gonna go to the other lot by the water. It's much nicer. Bags moving all over the place. I'll put it back here. Oh, behind the passenger seat so it doesn't move. So annoying, that camera bag. This is a nice road up here. She throws you in the seat for sure. We're so lucky we got this Jeep in front of us to slow us down. Can't have any fun with a Jeep in front of us. They just paved it pretty recently, within the past like year. Here we are. This is the spot I wanted to go to. Hopefully there's not a lot of people here. Probably is though, since it's nice out. Find a nice parking spot. Posted up at the reservoir. Tom, it's a nice shot, bro.
Yeah, dog. The best angle.
Those shots are always coming out nice.
Best shots out there.
Dude, the hatch looks. Ooh.
The hatches are out today.
2 black hatches. Yo, where's mine? She's up there. Woo. Chilling, taking nice pictures. Perfect weather for some pictures. Nice overcast.
Fake star with the way.
just wrapped up taking pictures, hanging out. It's a nice day. Had the water over there. Hope you enjoyed that little montage. Put some cool music behind it. Now we're heading back home. Those Tome pops though. Every time I let off the gas, a little pop. Even at the low RPM. Left. Tom's gotta get gas at Exxon. Post up there for a minute. Fill up. I don't need gas. I'm above a half tank. But oh, C8. What the? Yo, it's a C8 Corvette. Red. I saw a blue one and an orange one. Only around here. That's nuts. What the? That's sick. See? That's pretty sick. Can I go through here? Yeah, I don't need to get gas. Ah, there's CB here. I think I know this guy. That's the best thing about the, look, they're all honking down there. That's the best thing about owning a Subaru, I think. The culture. It's really, it's a huge community. Tons of people have Subarus. Great car. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna make more videos with the GoPro. I think it's pretty cool. I see it all on YouTube, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon, guys. Peace.